Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to join shape. You can create shape like I will create the box objects, and the other you can create like a polygon, or you can create this object paraboloid. If you want to combine, you need to touching the two objects, like I will move these objects into here. And if you want to move to the top, you can use the rule tools. I will click at this point. Rule and select the objects. You can move like with this point. We'll set into 15. Press enter into 15, and you can move. So to join, you can select the all objects, and then you can use group tools. It will be to join the object. You want to parrot the color, you can select the object, go to solid color, and then you can active for multicolor. If we join these two objects, I will move again this object. First, I will rotate into 90 degree, and then I will move into here. You can select the all objects and then use group tools to join. Okay, that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to join shapes. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.